So hello and welcome to tutorial video series on HTML for beginners. So today we are in the video series number 2. So what we're going to talk about is the introduction to basic tags, heading tags, paragraph tags, bold and other some. Okay, let's move. So this is the basic HTML tags. So first let me tell you what is tag. Tag is something that is written inside the angle bracket. Okay, you can see this is the angle bracket. So angle bracket, angle bracket. So these all are the tags. So whatever written inside the angle bracket, like at first here exclamation doc type HTML. So what is this? So this is the types of document. So this tells HTML document to the browser. So basically we write this in the HTML version 5. Okay, so you can simply write this inside the angle bracket exclamation doc type HTML. So this indicates the file type to the browser. Okay, here we have the basic tag of HTML. So without this tag we cannot make any websites or code. Okay, so these are the basic tag of HTML which every programmer must know. Okay, so this is the tag. HTML is also a tag. Okay, so that is also inside the angle bracket. So here one thing you have to know is HTML tag. You can see here is the HTML tag and another HTML tag. So this is also inside the angle bracket. This is also inside the angle bracket. What is difference is here slash. So this first tag without slash is known as opening tag and this is known as closing tag. Okay, so in HTML most of the tags they have both opening and closing tag. So as of now you can see here all tags have opening and closing tags. So just look at HTML. So it is the opening tag. We don't put any sign, symbols or letter over here, just we write it inside the angle bracket. But to close HTML we write here slash. Okay, after the angle bracket we write it slash HTML. Okay, so this is called opening tag and this is called closing tag. Similarly in case of head we write, so this is the opening tag inside the angle bracket and this is closed. Okay, head is closed. Okay, it has paired, head has paired, so that's why it is known as paired tag. So except doc type HTML all are paired tag. Okay, so inside the head there is a title. Okay, title we write inside the angle bracket, we simply write title. You can write in lowercase or uppercase also, it is not case sensitive. So and we close here title with a slash. So I think you guys have got idea how to open tag and how to close tag. If you are opening tag then you just need to simply write that tag inside the angle bracket, and if you want to close that bracket, that tag, then you need to put slash. Okay, at first. Okay, and in the title we generally used to write the name of the project. So what kind of project we are going to do, that kind of that name is written inside the title, and title is always inside the head tag. Okay, everyone do look it here once. I will tell it once. HTML and it has HTML closing tag, head opening tag closing tag, but inside the head there is title. So title opening tag closing tag. So we write here name of the project. You can write my first HTML or whatever your project name, you can simply write here instead of name of project. Okay, so after head we have body tag. So this is the opening tag or closing tag. Of course this is the opening tag. Why? Because it does not have slash. Yes, opening tag is the tag which do not have slash and closing tag is the tag which have slash. Okay, and whatever we make in the website, that is all done into the body part. So every content is written into the body tag. So let's revise it. How many tags you can see here, or you have to remember this HTML. So this is the first tag. Okay, let's not write this as of now. Okay, let's leave it for a while, this doc type. Okay, first we know HTML, close HTML, header, close header, that is called heading. Okay, and head tag, and there is another inside the head tag, title, open title, close title, and inside the title we write the name of the project. So after heading we simply open the body, and inside the body we write every code. Okay, and then body is closed with a slash. I think you have an idea regarding the types, and these tags is known as the basic HTML tag or skeleton of HTML. Without this tag we cannot make any website or web pages. Okay, now let's move towards. So here is a brief introduction to these HTML tags. So at first, here are heading tags. So what is heading tag? Heading tag is used to define headings in the HTML. There are 6 levels of heading from H1 to H6. H1, okay, H6, H2, H6, and paragraph tag. So for the paragraph, we use paragraph tag, P and P close, okay. And there is bold tag. So to make the text or letter bold, we use B tag, or we call it bold. Okay, there is italic, as you can see the font here, so it's quite slanted. So italic tag, for that we use I, opening and closing tag. So image tag, now here is, we can use image tag as a image and src. Okay, so we will talk about the attributes and values in the next videos. So as of now, image is a tag. Image is also a tag. If you want to insert any image or picture into your website, at that case you need to use the image tag. Okay, image, src, then double quotation, then the location or name of the photos or pictures. Let's talk about the break tag. So break tag is used to insert a single line break. So if you want to move to the next line, or if you want to display the content into the next line, at that time we use the br tag, which is simply called break tag. Okay, for example, you can see a mango in one line, and if you want to insert banana to the next line, so for that we need to use the br tag. Okay, so horizontal rule, another tag used to create a horizontal line. So and for that horizontal rule, a tag is hr, that is simply written inside the angle bracket. So we will see this in example. So next tag we have is a marquee tag, used to make a motion to the text or image. Like if you use a marquee tag to the text, then the text will move, and so does the image. So next tag we have is anchor tag. It is used to create a hyperlink, like if you want to put some link into your website, then we need to use a tag where the href is a attribute, and this is the value. So whatever written inside the double quotation, that is the value. Okay, so these tags forms the foundation of HTML and are essential for creating structured and formatted content on web pages. Okay, now we will see this on the examples. So as of now, we only studied the theoretical portion. Now we will put that into the notepad and run it into the web browsers. Okay, so for that you just simply go to the search. Okay, you don't need to install or download, so you can simply write here notepad. So you can see this interface or icon of notepad. So you just you can simply click that, and there will be a notepad. So you can see the interface like this. So there is a file, edit and view. So for that I will just go to my ppt and copy the basic tag. Okay, so this is the basic tag which we already studied about. So Control C, and here I go Control V. Okay, so this is, doc type HTML means, so this define the types of document to the browsers, and these are the skeleton of the HTML. So now let's change here, write the name of project. So I will write what I will write. Okay, the name of project is my first HTML code. So this is our project title. So and in the body section, here is content written. So for that I will delete it, and for this we go to the save as to save it, and I will give the name just demo.html. Okay, one thing you have to remember is, while creating an HTML document, we always need to put extension like .html or .htm. Okay, and for our convenience, I would like to save it to the desktop as of now. So I select the desktop and save it. Okay, now let's go to the desktop. Okay, here you can see the demo. By default it is supported by the Microsoft Edge. Okay, now let's click and refresh. Okay, I will open this Microsoft Edge. So as of now there is nothing written. So I will go to the code again and write here, this is my first class of coding in HTML. Okay, save it, Control S and run it. Okay, here you can see. Okay, similarly again let's go to the PPT, so it will be easy for us because we have already studied about this text. So I will just simply copy it. Okay, from here to this, Control C, and I will paste here inside the body. Okay, now let's talk about. So this is the heading, so it will be easy for us. So you used to define. Okay, I will just remove this. So this is the heading. Okay, so now let's run it. Yes, so this you can see too where it is. Okay, in the heading section there is written to. So I will just remove it and I will write heading 1 to 6, I will just remove this, and again Control S and run. Yes, so this is the heading. You can see, don't look others, just focus on the heading. So this is the heading 1, which is the biggest one, and this is the heading 6, which is the 6. So now let's move towards the paragraph tag. Okay, paragraphs. Okay, now let's move towards the paragraph. So you can see the paragraph here. Okay, from this you can use as much as paragraph you want. So there is another tag called bold tag. Okay, now let's move what is written. So this text is bold. So here is written, this text is bold. It is already in bold. So yes, this is bold. Okay, now next we have is italic tag. Okay, so this is an italic, but look, one difference here. This text is bold. After that I haven't written anything, and just simply write the italic tag, I tag, and there is, I have written this text is italic. So but you can see that difference, that this both line displayed in the same line, or this both sentences displayed in the same line. For that, what we need to use, br tag. Okay, br. Okay, Control S. Okay, now they refresh. So now it's going to the next line. So similarly, there is image tag. For image tag we use this, and okay, image, there is no image called image name.jpg. So for that I will just go to my desktop. Okay, so here is, I think here is one image. Look, here is one image. So I just simply right click it and see the property. So, or you can just do like this also, right click it, and where is copy as path. Okay, I copy the path, and let's Control B, and so double quotation mark, Control S. Now let's go to the browser. So here is the image, you can see. Okay, so this is the image. In this way we can use the image. Okay, for that let me use another tag. Okay, for this, which one, heading. For the heading I would like to use mark you, and here I would like to close mark you tag. Okay, let's save it and run it. Boom. Okay, you can see this heading is moving. Okay, so heading 1 is moving. So from the mark you tag we can move the text and images. Okay, this much for today guys. Keep practicing. We will see you in next videos. Thank you.